I was 48 years old and I felt like I was living in a 90-year-old's body. This hip pain never went away. It was always there. I couldn't, if I bent, moved, I'd always have to try to get in a comfortable position. I couldn't go out and hike or be out in the woods or just do things I wanted to do. I was a little depressed and I was sad that I couldn't do things because mentally I wanted to, but physically my body was telling me no. My leg, my hip was telling me, no, you can't do this. DMC Huron Valley-Sinai Hospital is my hospital and I will not go anywhere else. Every single experience I've had here, no matter what it was, it's just been a great experience from beginning to end. Dr. Mackey, from my initial appointment, I felt extremely comfortable and confident in everything he said to me.
Jennifer's case in particular is one of those that you knew needed to be done. By x-ray, you could see that the hip had deteriorated significantly with tremendous bone spur formation around the ball of her hip joint. But probably even more importantly was actually just talking to Jennifer. Hearing how much difficulty she was having just with day-to-day living activities, that's really the best answer about why does someone need a hip replacement, is to try to restore that quality of life.
After my total hip replacement surgery, I feel like I'm the person I once was and felt normal again. I felt like I could walk again. And I actually forget that I have a total hip replacement sometimes. Looking back at all the pain I had, I would have done it a lot sooner. The biggest lesson that I've learned is I don't have to live in pain the rest of my life. DMC Huron Valley-Sinai Hospital has given me a new life.